Ooh! There's an alligator right there. Buen dia. What's up, yo? So, today, I do not know how this happened, but I got convinced to go camping. I don't even like camping. I hate it. But I said yes. I was like, yeah, let's go. Let's do it. So I'm going camping today. Middle of nowhere, Paraguay. Not really sure why I agreed to this. It's cold outside. I don't have any like camping gear. Just had to buy this beanie. You see this little beanie, so I wouldn't die. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so we just made it to Reserva Natural del Bosque Mbaracayú. ¿Cómo se dice?
Mbaracayú.
Alright, that's way better than I'm not even gonna try it. But that's where we are. Alright, so for reference, it is 5 degrees Celsius. So that's like 45 Fahrenheit for people that you like real temperatures. not that bullshit Celsius. That, oh. Alright, here's the camping area. Looks like we have it all to ourselves. Nice little bathrooms over there.
Now we're gonna have to look for wood.
This is practically glamping. Those bathrooms.
Fancy. Wait for tomorrow, my friend.
Oh.
Enjoy the restrooms.
I don't like the sound of that. I don't know what's going on here.
Welcome, boy.
All right. Nice little place, actually.
Careful with the jaguars.
Are there jaguars?
Yes, of course.
Oh, this looks... Oh, they even have hot water?
No, yeah.
Look at that, bro. That's a hot water heater.
Yeah.
That's fancy.
Hot water?
Look at...
No, give me my money back.
What the... Bro, they even left us soap.
Yeah. Soap and hot water?
Bro, that's fancy.
No.
You told me I was roughing it, bro. Why'd you lie to me?
Let's camp on the road.
The Spanish conquistador lied to me, man.
We just got here. There's nobody here, and we have to cook. But we don't have firewood, nor charcoal, nor anything. And we gotta find.
We gotta
wood.
go find that. Is that what you're saying?
We gotta go into the woods to find wood.
All right, we're going to find wood. Before we unpack, we're going to find wood. So, oh, Gilly's already found.
Hey, there's some wood here. Oh, alguien muy buena gente. There's really nice people that left a bunch of wood here.
Oh shit!
I guess we don't have to go into the woods to look for wood.
No jaguars yet. Did you see a jaguar the last time you were here?
No.
Have you seen a jaguar here?
No.
Have you seen a snake here?
No. Tarantulas we saw.
No, that's fine. I can deal with that. I'm really not. I mean, I'd rather see a jaguar than a snake. So.
If you see a jaguar, would be the last thing you see. I guess your YouTube channel would jump from 0 to like 100,000 followers.
0 to 12. We're cooking something. What's this called? Gizo. Gizo.
Pasta with a bunch of vegetables.
Pasta? Is it Paraguayan, Spanish, or what is it?
I don't know. It's just a mix. It's
just
like,
food.
It's what you would eat in the army. Just a big pot full of like pasta and meat and vegetables.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're gonna make this. I'm not much of a cook, but I'm gonna attempt to help.
Baby, it was all a dream. Turns out into a lip sync.
Man, this YouTube channel was going really good until Mark started rapping.
Mark started pretending he was big and small.
Man, I was like, man, like Mark's like cool on camera. Like, man, he does like really well. Then I started rapping, and literally like everything just went to shit.
What's the sponsors?
Oh, my non-existent sponsors, non-existent subscribers.
You get a letter of notification against the...
Yeah, YouTube bans the channel.
Yeah.
We can't have that shit. So we got the cooking. No, it was zero thanks to me. I couldn't even cut carrots. All right, so what kind of beef we got in here?
Well, actually, the cut, it's called asadito.
Asadito.
Yeah, so it's just, I don't know how to tell, man.
Asadito with carrots, onions, garlic, peppers, tomatoes.
Yeah.
All right, so it's gotten a little bit cold.
It's not.
Hey,
It's actually warmer.
I had to put on 2 pair of socks, and as you can see, that's my dress sock with dress shoes. So looking pretty stylish out here camping. Food is finally served, and this shit was definitely worth the wait. A little bit of tomato, onion, pepper. What else we got in there? Carrots, beef.
And
turned out really well. Gilly's garlic. Gilly's quite the chef. So we're about to get really gringo here. About as gringo as you can get. Roasting marshmallows in Paraguay. So the Spaniard was very confused on how to do this. I told him it was a really complex thing. So.
Okay, so you need fire, right?
You put it over the fire, and you hold it there.
Do you need the flame or not?
It doesn't matter if it's hot enough.
Okay, drop it like it's hot.
There we go. All right.
Yeah.
There we go. Get it in there.
Ah, fuck. Are the ashes good?
I would not recommend eating the ashes, no.
Well, too late.
Did you remember his Russian, actually?
Oh, last night was cold. Trying to wake ourselves up. We're about to go to the lagoon here and in the reserve, and gonna show you guys this place. It's really interesting. Really friendly people that are working here. There's a lot of interns that are learning about the tourism industry, so gonna show you guys around. Yo, Gilly, where are we at?
We are at Lagunita right now.
Alright, so we're gonna go out on the boat, right?
No, we don't have the
paddles?
paddles yet.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna do that after lunch.
Nice. We got wood right there. There's a paddle right there. What else do you need? Homemade paddles. Warmed up a little bit. The sun is out, feeling good, and gonna go eat lunch. So at this reserve, they have meals available: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is 25 mil guarani. That's like $4. Lunch is 40, so it's about $7, and then dinner is 42, so another $7. So it's about $18 for all your meals for the day, if you don't want to bring your food for camping. And the food is actually really good. It's kind of like all you can eat. So we'll see what's up for lunch. I don't really know. You got any idea what it's gonna be, Gilly?
Nope.
Here we go. So we're about to find out. Oh look, the ladies are bringing.
Oh, look. We're eating there.
Oh, fancy. We're eating here? It's around there, huh?
¿Es acá que comemos?
Ah, qué bien. Es que vamos a comer.
¿Qué? Pollo con arroz.
Ah, qué rico.
Buen provecho.
Muchas gracias. All right, so let's see what we got here. A little rice.
It's called rice.
Yeah.
Arroz.
And oh, we got some fresh chicken with vegetables. Looks pretty good.
The salad.
Little salad there. What is that, mandioca?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mandioca right there. Some fresh juice. Salad dressing. Pretty solid meal.
Mandioquinha.
Mandioquinha. Alright, we're here with Eligio, our guía.
Ah, sí.
And we're hiking to a river, a waterfall?
A river.
A river.
Stream.
A stream, an arroyo. Check this out. It's like being on a safari, but not in Africa, you're in Paraguay. That's sour. Alright, so that is a sour orange. Is that what it's called? Yeah, that's bitter.
Show him.
Your turn.
No.
You gotta do it, bro.
Fuck.
Me and Gilly already did it. Yo, this stuff is brutal.
Ugh. Vitamins. ¿Qué era eso?
Vitamin C.
How does that feel?
Very manly.
Check that out.
Vamos a nadar, ¿sí?
Claro que sí. Este lugar se puede.
Arroyo Morotí.
Este se puede.
¿Tú vas a nadar también?
¿Cómo?
¿Vas a nadar?
¿Yo?
Sí.
En la ducha puede ser.
No snakes?
Yeah.
YouTube, I'm a huge about snakes. Alright, so that water is really clear. Beautiful place.
Yo creo que tenés que saltar nomás ya así tipo. ¿Entendés?
No, pero allá.
Ah, la mierda.
Estoy ganando tiempo, Guillermo, que ya está muy fría esta mierda.
Ya sé.
I'm not like this. This is no bueno.
Super bueno. Super bueno.
Ah,
Dive.
espera.
Vamos.
Yo quiero registrar ese momento porque va a ser para la ciencia.
Get into that conquistador spirit. Let's go. Hold on.
Me neither.
¡Estamos todos re locos!
Dude, it's nuts. What's that thing just... How funny would that be if it broke right now?
Esa fue la peor caída de la historia.
I've never seen anything that unathletic.
Creo que es un blooper esto.
These are the trees that I show you that go either yellow, pink, or white. Remember?
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, it's just they don't grow as tall.
No, this
That's
thing is huge. This is crazy too, look how it twists. I've never seen something like that in my life. It's like a natural braid. Oh, that's a nice natural pool. The water is clear.
For being that hippie, you're like really aggressive and violent. Nature.
So the sun is setting. We're at the Lagunita again. About to take out some kayaks and some boats and hunt for alligators. So getting on the boats. Fingers crossed I see a big ass alligator. That's really all I care about at this point.
Ahí nos necesitan cuánto le sale llegar hasta allá.
Sí.
Porque hay que agarrar taxi, ¿no? De acá.
Y yo tengo vehículo para llevar.
Ah, bueno.
Yo tengo.
¿Y cuánto saldría ese hasta allí en la frontera?
Y
Aproximadamente.
él puede remar fácilmente ahí.
Take
enfrente.
one each, ¿no?
Ya.
Puedes remar fácilmente ahí enfrente, pero vos vas a manejar de atrás.
Pásame la GoPro, Mark, por favor.
Sí, señor.
All right, so we just saw a crocodile. Alligator, right?
Yeah.
We just saw an alligator go under the water, and now we're gonna try to find it and hunt it. We want something for dinner tonight. Gilly said the best gizo in the world is made from alligators, so we're gonna try to kill that thing, man. We're gonna kill it, and we're gonna bring it back to the reserve and cook it in our gizo. It's getting dark out, as you guys can see, and there's nobody out here except us. So if we get ate by an alligator, nobody's gonna know.
Yeah, they will, but like later. Later this week.
Eventually.
Eventually, yeah.
Eventually. It makes me feel very safe. We're on the hunt, hunting for our first alligator. Haven't found one yet. They're kind of hard to see.
Hey.
So we're using Gilly as bait, and we're going into the alligators.
Oh, that was an alligator for sure.
Where?
Underneath us.
Hey, no, but seriously.
In Guilla's back.
Gilly's not very comfortable with this. Mainly.
But you should see, if you see two shining spots, that's the alligators.
Alright, so, but how do we kill them?
We bite their neck. Look how comfortable Guille looks.
Gilly, are you ready to wrestle? Not with us, with the alligator.
Oh, yeah. That battle for sure.
The battle for your life? We have not had any luck hunting alligators. Haven't even seen them. Gilly's being a bitch about being bait. So I think we're just going to settle for looking at shooting stars. I mean, I would have liked to eat alligator for dinner, but if I have to look at stars all night, it's pretty good consolation.
Ooh, there's an alligator right there.